This is Lori from Stitching It Right. In today's episode, I'm going to take this back stitch stem that I did, and I'm going to use the stem stitch, which almost seems backwards since I'm making a leaf. And I'm going to make a couple of little leaves. I'm going to show you how. You pull the thread through, you go forward about 1/8 of an inch, pull it down through, and then you come on about in the middle, a little off to the side. And because I want this to curve, I'm going to kind of come almost across here to right there. Another one about in the middle, poke it up through. This one I'm going to come just above. And I'm going to bring it back up under, slightly across. And back. And I'm going to do a couple of tiny satin stitches to fill in the center. I've showed those in a previous episode, but I can refresh them. It's just the satin stitches, the stitch you use to fill in a block of color. There. And then I'm going to make a slightly bigger leaf to show you the stem stitch just a little better coming off the other side of the stem here. About 1/8 of an inch back down through. Back up right about in the center of it, off to the side. And I'm going to bring it back around. There. I think that's a little bigger so you can see it better. And then like the other one, I'm going to fill it in with a satin stitch. If it were a lot bigger, I would probably make the V-shaped satin stitch. But since it's a really small leaf, I'm just going to bring it across the full width of it. Put some music or something in here if I can get my editing tool to do it, so you don't have to just listen to the silence. If it's all just silence, I'm really sorry. I'm new to the editing tools for making videos and trying to figure everything out. So there is that. I'm going to anchor it on the back with a couple tiny stitches right under the other colored, green colored stitches, so it doesn't come apart later. And then I'll just snip the thread off. And that's how you do the stem stitch to make a leaf. Little leaf, bigger leaf. And I filled those in with the satin stitch. So thank you for watching, and happy sewing.